What's up, Sneaky fam? So I thought I'd make a highlight reel of some of my favorite races where I'm banging gears like I want to go home on a trailer. There's a lot that goes into shifting a manual trans car quickly, starting from the type of transmission to the type of clutch to the type of shifter you're using. I mean, your seating position, hell, even the trans fluid temperature matters. As you guys have all probably noticed, when you drive your sports car around for an hour or so, gear changes start to happen with a completely different feel than they do in the first 20 probably minutes or so of driving. So always remember that just because your oil temps are up to snuff doesn't mean your trans temps are. So make sure your trans is properly warmed up before beating on it. Luckily, the Gen 5 Viper has one of the best manual transmissions I've driven, the TR6060, so it loves to be shifted hard. Look, in the end, none of this stuff counts more than what's going on inside your head, right? So seat time trumps everything. It's all muscle memory. If you want to shift fast, go out there, go practice. There's no magic pills. And remember, a synchronized manual trans is not designed to be shifted like this. So if you drive like what you're about to see next, a trans rebuild will definitely be in your future. I've never had a transmission last longer than about 2 years if I do a lot of racing. So you'll probably start out by killing the shift pads, then the blocker rings, then bits of the synchronizer assembly, and then finally you'll wear the gear sets down themselves. So this will kind of manifest itself in you noticing that some of the shifting smoothness is gone when you're driving just kind of gently, and you'll start to get random grinding between the gear changes because your synchronizers are no longer in good enough shape to make that proper mesh between the input-output speeds. So, as usual, play stupid games, win stupid prizes. With that said, let's tear some shit up. So this is some of my best work. So here we go. These are the top 5 runs. Let me know in the comments which is your favorite. So let's start with number 5.